And here we are, to Anversa degli Abruzzi, a rustic day. We are surrounded by nature, mountains, lots of cute animals and lots of cheese. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a nice day. A day in the nature. It's time now to go and visit the stable. The smell is really nice in here. It smells like Chanel No. 5. Huh? Do you agree?
Yes,
beautiful smell.
Chanel No. 5.
Pay attention where they stay all together.
What are you doing here? Uno troppo vicino. Hey! Hello! Look how stunning you are! What's your name, beautiful? What's your name, beautiful? Huh? Stunning! Look at that, that's yours. That's for you. Look how beautiful he is. This is the Abruzzo Shepherd.
Oh,
Pastore abruzzese.
is this a Merima?
Pastore abruzzese.
Oh.
Abruzzo Shepherd. Look at this.
Oh, he's a pretty boy.
Look how beautiful you are.
Bravo ragazzo.
Wonderful.
His little heart's beating.
Look how peaceful it is here. Look at the view. This amazing view.
Today you
Grow the food
will
here.
eat the
The food from the garden.
Oh, eggplant.
eggplants that we don't produce
Yeah.
because
Let's go and say hello to the donkey. Hello! Hey!
per questo chiama, capito?
Ah, fame. Sì. Oh, be careful.
Ulisse.
Ah, Ulisse.
Hello, Ulisse. Welcome to the best part of the farm.
And then when the cheese is ready, we put it in this cell to season.
Look how beautiful. Okay. There is a method to eat what you're having in front of you, okay?
Questi sono tutti i formaggi in nostra produzione e la lavorazione viene fatta al latte crudo.
These are all cheeses made here and
From raw milk.
raw milk.
Invece che è quella che facciamo noi, questa garanzia non ce l'hai, però ovviamente la risolviamo con i veterinari che vengono 4 volte a settimana a fare i prelievi, a controllare le nostre pecore.
So when you make the cheese with raw milk, there is you can't guarantee that there are no bacteria. But the way they prevent this is they have vets coming here 4 times a week to do the checks on the animal. First we ate the cheese, and then now we're eating the animal who made the cheese. The little lamb. Now it's time for us to learn how to make cheese. From Viola.
About sheep, and I don't have to pasteurize it because I know that the sheep is healthy and there's no problem with the milk. Usually in the past, to cut the curd, people used this. This is the spino, and when you have the big pot where you make cheese, use this.
Indeed.
You become the cheese maker of Balmain.
I just need to find a shape for it.
That's Pecorino cheese, right, Viola?
Yeah.
It would be coming out of
It's good to use as primo sale. So in few days, when you add just the salt, it's good to eat.
It doesn't have to mature for months, you know, after a few days you can have it. Time to make cheese.
Yeah, that's
Make
okay.
a pecorino.
Just warm, not as hot.
See? Perfect.
Let's see if Liz can make cheese.
That's great.
Yeah, she can make it. It's good. Please, you can change your career. You can become a cheesemaker.
After this, in
Pennsylvania.
2 minutes, we'll be ready to.
Cute. Look at this. This is gonna be your photo home. Oh, so romantic. We are under the mountain, under a rock, and here we are. This is Abruzzo, guys. On your left, you can see Abruzzo. Wow. Look at the view. Look at this amazing view. How amazing this is. Thank you, Mirko, for protecting everyone. He's protecting us. So we stopped in the middle of the road, basically. Look, we stopped the bus here in the middle of the road so everyone can see the view. Okay, time to visit Pescara, my town. Scott, we can have.
I'll take you
can
to my
visit this
town one
wonderful
day too.
town.
I
Come
can't
on.
wait for your town though. Absolutely.
Let's go and visit Pescara Beach.
Yeah, baby.
Here we are in Pescara Center, Piazza Salotto. Time to go and see Claudio here at the Chitarra Antica. The Institution of Pescara. Welcome, Australia, America. America. Welcome to la Chitarra Antica.
Where you come from? Australia. Perth. Perth. I say in Italy, the sound of it, Perth. Sì, questo ha fatto un sacco d'anni.
You're a troublemaker. This is fiadoni time. Yeah, tell everyone what's fiadoni. It's fried fiadoni.
It's the new generation of fiadoni fries.
Fiadoni fries. Yes.
Dimmi gli ingredienti.
50.000 euro.
We want to know the ingredients.
Cheese and eggs.
Cheese and eggs to make this beautiful baby. Is it nice? Is it good? This is a specialty from Abruzzo. Fiadone, cheese and egg,
Asked me if there was egg in there.
fried. What more do you want?
Chi è ciliegia qua?
You same what you had before, but baked. Yeah. Yes, baby.
Yeah, and the fried one.
Prego, yeah. Fiadoni time.
This is dice un unico filo, still in acciaio, è un unico filo.
It's one string, made of stainless steel. It's one string.
Grande perché queste ce le facciamo noi.
Oh, they make this. You can't find any guitar machine this big. They build this. They've got a few.
For tradition we have half hour to read pasta, fresh pasta. This is eggs and flowers and semol. Only.
Semolina.
Okay, semolina. Okay. This is my mother. That with the eyes cause she controlla.
Ah, so she controls what they do here.
It's okay. It's okay.
She's always here watching. Wow.
Eccolo qua.
Used to Liz. First time spaghetti chitarra mega. Press hard, press hard.
Brava. Brava.
Yeah, she's good. You can come and work here, Liz.
Tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock you stay here.
Brava a fare I biscotti, Claudio.
This is so easy, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that. And look at those pappardelle. Look, pappardelle pasta.
Centenario come si dice?
This is a recipe book,
Del 1883.
It's from 1883.
Oh wow.
1883, it's a cookbook from 1883.
Di un paese a nord.
The smell of Abruzzo in your hands. Ah. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Stefano Guaglione. Welcome to Vinè.
And c'era suolo.
Wine tasting experience.
We have Pecorino d'Abruzzo. You tasted, yes, ready for
The wine
rosé.
expert, Stefano, delivering the wine to Queen Julie. Thank you, Queen. What a pleasure to have you here. This is the nice antipasti for the afternoon. We got fried cheese balls. This is fennel and orange salad. Gluten-free black rice salad. farro spelt salad with olives and the fried fiadone. Now this is a Pescara beach experience, guys. Look how fancy it is. Qui abbiamo il nostro esperto bagnino.
It rises over here and sets over there.
Sunset, very romantic. Welcome to Pescara Beach. Sandy beach. Looks like you found the place where you're sleeping tonight. And enjoy the water. This is how we end day 2 of Italy Unexplored tour. William, you want to say something nice to finish the day 2?
The water's beautiful. Come on in.
Was the day nice?
It was outstanding.
It's gonna get better and better, okay? Stay tuned for day 3.